So we have here the flea market find of the weekend. It is a Danish plane, probably from the 70s. I've seen pictures of them on the web, and it's in pretty good shape. Although I can find no manufacturer's markings. I'm told that it would have been here, but does not look like there was anything there at all. But like I said, it's in pretty good shape. The wedge fits tight, and the iron is the Danes didn't make any steel, so it's a Swedish iron. And I don't know if you can see that. It's Eric Anton Berg, and it's got a cap iron on it, and it's laminated 2 inches wide. And so we're going to clean it up here. It definitely, look at that blade, like corrugated. So we're going to clean up the blade here and polish it, and we'll see if we can get it to run. Should be a proper smoother when we get it going. Working with the work sharp with a 220 grit wheel. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's a laminated blade with one kind of steel on the top edge there, and the other steel on the bottom, and it's a tapered blade. So we're getting close to a decent edge. Just a couple, see if I can get it to focus here, just a couple little nicks in the top of the blade here. Another 220 here that I'm using on the back, so I just rub the burr off that I get, and then go back to it. Close. There's one nick right there in the middle. Now we're at 400. And I've got a piece of 15 micron on the stone down there, but there's a 400 finish, so now we'll move up to the next grade. And now I'm at a 1,000 grit, and it's starting to polish up pretty good, so I'm moving up to the next one. We're now at 5 microns. getting a pretty good polish on it now. I'll probably switch to hand honing at this point. So now I'm at about 1 micron, and I'm doing the final honing here. I've done some cambering of the blade by pressing on the corner. See what we can see. The black will come off. I'll take that off with alcohol, but that was marker, magic marker to make sure that I knew where I was at. But I don't know if you can see, but there's a bigger edge here and here than there is in the middle, but it's very slight. Looks pretty good. Flattening the cap iron. That's about a 220 grit, and we'll check it out. But that should be good enough. There's a piece of figured maple here. We'll give it a test run here, and I'm doing it left-handed. Looks pretty good. We got a little more work to do on the plane. It has a wide, quite a gap in the mouth there, so doing figured wood will probably be difficult, but it leaves a nice polished surface on the board, so I'll fiddle with it a little more and see how well I can get it to run.